Hi friends, welcome to my channel once again. So in the last clip, what you have seen is my Ninja 300 getting through the entrance of my home. Yes, today we are going to discuss about the awfully low ground clearance of the Ninja 300. Let me show you the clip once again in slow motion. As we saw, the bottom of the oil sump and the suspension link were just millimeters away from scraping the ground. The Ninja 300 has a ground clearance of just 135 millimeters, and that is the major reason why it scrapes almost every speed breakers. With the pillion rider, it gets even more complicated. As we saw in the video, I have kept my right foot on the ground to prevent my full weight going on the bike, and yet it is very close to the ground. Even the ZX-10R gets a better ground clearance. So how do we deal with this problem? There are two ways. One method is you have to bring your bike to almost a complete stop on the speed breaker and then move with your foot down without putting your full weight on the bike. Otherwise, you can also use the corners of the speed breaker where the height is very less. In the second method, instead of going straight over the speed breaker, you can take an angled approach over the speed breaker. First, let me show you the first method. This is not a huge speed breaker, but still for the Ninja 300, it is very close. Here I am taking an angled approach over the speed breaker. That's very close. Here, to put everything into perspective, I have put a brick under the bike and I have shown how much the bike goes down once the rider sits on it. Here, the suspension link is touching the brick. So what happens when your underside regularly scrapes the speed breakers? There is a very good chance of the oil seal nut going off and your oil spilling on the road and you get stranded. This is how my oil seal nut looks after 6 years. Luckily, it is still intact and doing its job perfectly. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. For more videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. See you guys in another video.